Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the ChatGPT not loading. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is working properly. Then, try opening any other website to confirm it. Then, refresh the page or restart the app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for ChatGPT, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Temporary loading issue can be fixed this way. If you're using a browser, clear the cache cookies and reload the page. This may remove any corrupted data. Then try opening ChatGPT in a different browser or a device to see if the issue is specific to your current setup. Disable browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, as they can sometimes block the site from loading. If the problem continues, it may be due to server traffic, so wait a few minutes and try again later. That's how you fix the ChatGPT not loading. Subscribe for more simple and easy guides.